There are many pore strips available in market, and it looks very satisfying when they remove all blackheads from your nose without causing too much pain. But do you know, sometimes they might be too harsh on your skin and may cause hyperpigmentation. You can use them sometimes, but effects are not long-lasting. These strips won't reduce pore size or prevent blackheads in future. Today in this video, I will share 2 most effective DIYs that will surely help you to remove blackheads, and with everyday use will also prevent them. Salicylic acid is one of the most effective ingredients for clogged pores. It easily penetrates the pore lining and scoops out the dirt, debris, and sebum. Also, it has beta-hydroxy acids that increase cell turnover. You can use salicylic acid in the form of cleanser or as leave-on product. To make your own salicylic acid face cleanser, you will need fresh mint leaves, fuller's earth powder, and rose water. Take a handful of washed mint leaves, grind them well. In this add 1 spoon of fuller's earth powder. Next in this add enough rose water or curd, until you get smooth paste. Apply this cleanser all over your face, leave for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. If you wanna use salicylic acid as leave-on product, you can use it in serum form. To make your own serum, mix pineapple juice and papaya juice in equal amount. Dilute this concoction with same amount of rose water and 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well, and your water-based face serum is ready.